A great way to increase engagement on YouTube Shorts and grow your channel as a small business is to show your audience how to do something correctly. You want to pick a topic that affects your audience's lifestyle and also ties in organically with your niche or product. And you can do this easily in under 15 minutes with the help of this ready to use InVideo template. Let's see how you can use this template to create a similar video for your brand and grow your YouTube channel. Simply click on Use this template to go to the editor. Here you have a very intuitive setup. The main canvas shows you the preview of the video you're creating, and all your scenes are placed on the timeline area below the canvas, and they're already synced to a royalty-free audio track, so you don't have to change the music track or readjust the duration of the scenes in any way. On the left-hand side of the screen, you have the Complete Assets menu. From here, you can choose different assets such as videos, images, text, and music to add to your video. Now let's begin editing. We are recreating this short for a private dentist's clinic, but you can customize it for any type of product or service. If you have video clips of your own, you can upload them using the Uploads option in the left menu, else you can follow along to see how you can use stock media to recreate this short. The template is set up in a way that it picks one lifestyle aspect like applying sunscreen and points out the common mistakes your audience may be making in that area. Currently, it showcases 3 mistakes, but you can increase the number by adding more scenes. Just use this plus icon right above the timeline to do so. Alternatively, if you want to reduce the number of scenes, you can simply right-click on any scene and delete it. The first step is to replace the text throughout the template with your own. We want to point out the mistakes people make while brushing their teeth, so we will begin by changing the title text. Double-click on the text to open up the edit window on the left and type out your own text here. We want to ask, are you brushing your teeth correctly? Once that's done, we will move on to the second slide and type out the mistake we want to point out. The process remains the same. Simply double-click on the text box to open up the edit window and type out your question here. The second text box is where you type out your reasoning or the correct process to do the thing. You similarly want to go ahead and change the text for all the remaining slides. The last slide will have your CTA prompt and the website link. Once your text is replaced, you want to go ahead and replace all the media in the template. For the first slide, we want to replace the video of the woman applying sunscreen with that of someone brushing their teeth. So we will go to the video tab in the left menu and search for the same using the search bar. Try a few different keyword combinations to find a clip that fits perfectly. Once we find a clip from the search results, I will simply drag and drop it onto the canvas. This will open up a pop-up window where I want to hit replace. This will open up another pop-up window where we want to trim the duration of the clip to fit the scene. This is important, otherwise the sync of the clips to your trending audio will go haywire. Simply select this option on the bottom left corner of the window that says Trim Video to Fit Scene, and you will see a small portion of the video selected. You can drag around this selected portion to also choose a different part of the clip. Once you have what you need, simply click on Add, and your clip will replace the template default. If the clip you've added appears slightly blurry or pixelated, don't worry because sometimes the editor takes time to load. It will be exported in high definition. You similarly want to replace the clips for all the remaining scenes, making sure that the ones you choose fit the point that you're trying to make. For this video, I'm going to choose videos that represent the brushing mistakes I'm highlighting. If you make a mistake or add media you don't want, you can either delete it by pressing the delete key on the keyboard or undo the step by using the Command plus Z or Control plus Z shortcuts on your keyboard. The final step is to change the logo. Simply click on the logo on any scene to open up the logo menu on the left, and here you use the upload option to upload your own logo image. Once it's uploaded, you just need to click on it and it will get replaced throughout the template. Now, if everything looks good, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your shot. And once you're satisfied, go to the top right corner of the screen and hit Export. We suggest exporting in 180p for the best results. You can recreate this trend for other types of brands as well. For instance, if you sell scarves, you can create a short like this. The best part is that you can use the same video to get more views on Instagram Reels and TikTok as well. And that's how you can create and upload a viral YouTube short with InVideo.